Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can pay Pluxee and Shopee online. So, first step is you just have to open the Pluxee application, tap on the store, and then go to Shopee Pay. So from there, you can choose the voucher amount and tap Pay. So you just have to make sure that you have enough credits. Second step is to confirm details and complete the conversion, and then your Shopee Pay e-voucher code will appear in the application and your email. And then you just have to go to Shopee application, and then you can add any products and then go to checkout and then tap the Shopee voucher in the payment method. And then you just have to enter the e-voucher code that was sent to you in the email. And then next to that is to pay the remaining balance if there are any. So you can use Shopee Pay, and the voucher is one-time use. You cannot top up Shopee Pay, and it also doesn't cover shipping. So this is not valid for digital goods, vouchers, and cannot be combined with other Shopee discounts. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!